What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I was gonna try finishing my fuel system, but I received in the mail my carpet kit from Z-Car Source, um, and I think I should probably do that first before I finish up my fuel system. That way I can stop putting the panels on the sides, and kind of put the interior back in slowly. Yeah, I'm gonna show you how the carpet looks like and go from there. Alright, so this is the carpet kit. It's supposed to be the sewn and molded carpet kit. You can see that it's basically just sewn together. Not much of a molded, but pretty much sewn together. I don't know. This part right here looks like it's just a carpet that was just cut in squares, basically. Like this side has finished edging. I mean, on this one just is basically, like I said, it's just a cut piece. The trunk carpet looks pretty good. Like this one right here, this one has no sewn area, and this side does. So I don't know, kind of just weird. This is the driver's side. This one has the foot thingy. So this is going to be interesting because usually there's multiple pieces, and this is basically kind of one piece, like that and that. It's gonna be tricky because I haven't done my wiring yet, and I still gotta do my wiring. So that's gonna be tricky. I gotta figure that out. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pre-install it, but not glue it, so that I can still move it around if I need to. So this is my fuel setup that I've been working on. Didn't really have a plan. I just kind of started bending tubes, and kind of this is what came out. So I gotta pull all this out. Then we put the carpet in, put the vinyl on the towers, and hopefully it goes good. Alright, so I got the vinyl installed. I just put the carpet on just to see, but FYI, if you're doing this with a roll cage, the side ones are a pain in the ass, because they stick and the cage is in the way. So I was gonna work on this carpet, but it just, I mean, there's a lot of trimming involved because this is basically just a flat piece. I gotta trim basically everything to fit. Plus I have to make a panel to close this hole, because I won't be using that anymore. I'll be using an e-brake, hydraulic e-brake. Can't really even install the carpet because I haven't done the wiring yet, and the wiring goes underneath the carpet on this. So I might just hold off on that and work on the fuel cell and the fuel lines. I think that's gonna be the plan. But yeah, this is what we have here. Have our AC. I gotta wire all that up. I gotta wire up the power steering. I just finished working on this the other day. My eBay short throw shifter with my makeshift mount. Yeah, those short throw eBay shifter are kind of crap. So I might buy a different kind. Probably the GK Tech. Those looks pretty nice. But yeah, that's down the road. All right, back to work. Alright, so this is a piece that I cut out of aluminum, and what I'm doing with it is I am going to put it right here as a base, like that. Then what I'm gonna do is I bought this tool, and it's a bead roller. Never used it before. I was making that last night, but yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some beads on it, and hopefully it comes out good. Alright, so this is what came out. Got a simple bead on there. Not bad. First time doing it, so yeah. Gonna do it for me. Alright, so for now I'm gonna leave it at this. This is kind of what it looks like. Still got a lot of work to do. Probably gonna end up polishing these lines. I still gotta route the air lines, and I gotta do the wiring. Gotta do the wiring to the pumps. I gotta paint this thing. Yeah, but for now, this is what I came up with. I didn't really plan anything. I just kind of started bending some tubes, and that's kind of what it turned out to be. So that's what it is. As long as it works, I'm happy. Here's that little piece that I made. I'm missing a bulkhead fitting, so don't mind that. But that's what it looks like.